Welcome to your home sweet home. Check out this great open concept, expansive living area. So this is a space where you can enjoy cooking and being still with family and friends. You've got a beautiful dining setup which can accommodate a good sized table, and everything is equipped, ready to go. Great island seating here at the bar area, and a fully functional and equipped kitchen. So this house was built in 2017. It is a very modern design. I'm sure you saw when you were coming up the driveway what a neat, unique architectural design this is. It has the flat roof, and so with that you get much better volume inside of the house, as well as really good space in the garage, which I'll show you in a minute. So this house does have the 3 bedrooms. This is one of the 3 bedrooms, and this room has a tray ceiling, also the triple sliders here that lead out to a nice covered porch area. Adjacent to that is the primary owner's suite. Nice little private hall entry. Again, the triple glass sliders that lead out to the beautiful backyard. And I would like to mention the yard is almost half an acre, 0.46 of an acre. So your bathroom here has the attached walk-in closet with lots of shelving, so you can really organize your clothing. And then you've got the 2 sinks and a beautiful walk-in shower. This bathroom also has a heat lamp, so you'll be very comfortable. When you step out of the shower, you won't be feeling chilled at all. You probably noticed in the main living space, we do have the fireplace there, and there's some beautiful built-ins for that fireplace as well. Bookshelves or decorative ornamental shelving that you can use to put your own touches. Now, this is the 3rd of the bedrooms, and this bedroom also has a very nice walk-in closet. Again, you're noticing the high ceilings. We also have, because it's a newer house, you've got very nice upgraded windows that have the tilt functionality, so those windows pull forward for ease of cleaning. Great laundry room here that separates the bedrooms from the additional bathroom. Now this bathroom is fully equipped tub shower combo. It is also set up for if you were to add a pool at some point down the road. You've got a nice door here. You could have this be the pool bath. So that would function very well. Here's our beautiful yard, and I'll give you a view of the back side of the home. Again, this is a very unique property. You don't find homes built like this in this area. So if you're looking for something very custom and very different, you have found it here. Quiet community. We are in Homosassa, which is a really great place to live because it's got a close proximity to the water if you enjoy the water activities, and yet this is not a flood zone area. And then also with the Suncoast Parkway, you can jump on that highway very quickly and go to Tampa and enjoy easy access to the airport or dining and shopping and entertainment. So this property has a lot to offer, and just hit the market. We'd love to give you a personal tour of it, and you can reach us, my team and I, at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group and EXP Realty. And at RES Luxury Group, we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Again, give us a call for more info or your private showing, 352-794-1426.